right, this is a Teach 'em Tuesday. First of all, don't scooter and GoPro unless you're going 10 kilometers an hour. If you've ever wanted to get really cool GoPro shots while driving and you don't have a head mount for your GoPro, get the little housing that it sits in and just stick the GoPro in your mouth like this. So if you're curious how I did that, this is the GoPro. You can see it's got the, the mount on the bottom of it, and this is all I did. I just bit it. I just put it in my mouth and I bit it. And yeah, it's that simple. You have to obviously be careful not to do this with like a really small GoPro, like a Sessions, without the housing and just put it in your mouth, because you could choke. And you have to be careful you're not in like a situation you could break your teeth, because that would be bad. But it is like a good little GoPro hack if you have no other options. And the footage came out cool. I didn't stabilize any of that footage from the GoPro. That was straight out of the Hero 5 Black, which this is. I did speed it up a little bit at the end, but yeah, that simple. Before I end this super short video, I should mention that there's 4 spots that have just miraculously opened up on my Nepal trip in October. So if you want to come to Nepal and have an adventure, hiking, photography trip with me and some cool people, there's a link in the description of this video to go, get more information. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. I have a full video from here in Batanes coming up that I think is going to be really cool. See you there. Peace.